Hey everybody, this is Jane. I got my kid in today for Scentsy. Evidently, hopefully, all y'all realize that I joined Scentsy, and yeah, so I got my kid in today and I want to just show y'all what's in it. Here we go. First off, when we open the box, we get a welcome packet. And in this packet we have a welcome to Scentsy card, product training guide, and a welcome to the Scentsy Life Consultant Guide. Sorry, my filming is bad. This phone sucks. Oh, this smells so good. Right off on top, we get a Scentsy bag to put our stuff in when we go to house parties or something like that. I'm going to put this down for a second. Here we go. Oh, Lord. I'm not good at this, so here's the Scentsy bag with the Scentsy Individual Consultant logo. It is insulated on the inside, which will help the things from melting. Oh my gosh, I'm such a horrible filmer. Bear with me. Then we have sample molds to melt down the scents and make individual molds, individual Scentsy melts to give to people. There's 2 in that pack. Then we have the Scentsy, just the quick sheets product list. And then like another small, it's a brochure, not a catalog, a brochure, and some Scentsy stickers to put my information on. This kit comes with everything that you need to get your Scentsy business started. Some big product bags for when people order stuff and you can deliver it. Some smaller Scentsy bags. Okay, okay. And we have some brochures. And some small folders to give out to your hosts. We get our order forms. Oh, Lord. And then our catalogs. We also get some invitational cards and some thank you cards and some smaller sample Scentsy bags. Then we have the car bar that you hang up in your Scentsy, in your car. And then in here we have samples of like body wash, I think it is, hand cream, Lucky in Love, lotion, body wash, lotion, and then some more hand cream and pineapple coconut vanilla. And then this is cute. This is from our kids product line. It's a buddy clip. And this buddy clip, you open it up. It's a, bear with me. It's a flamingo. I forget what the name of it is. Smells good. It's to put like on your kids' bags for school and stuff, or their lockers. This is Washer Whiffs. It's Amazon Rain. This smells really good. Oh my gosh, I love that. I'll be using that this week to wash my clothes with for sure. That's like the and then we got some more samples. I think this samples is for like Scentsy Clean for your clothes. This is clothes detergent. Laundry liquids. And this is room spray to spray your room with. It is vanilla bean butter cream. Hold on. I don't want to spray myself. Oh my God. That is by far my favorite so far. It smells, oh my God, it smells so good. I love this. Then we have bathroom cleaner, lemon verbena. And then we got 2 scent bars. One is black raspberry vanilla. Oh my God, this smells awesome. That is like one of my favorites too now. Then we have sea salt and avocado. Oh my God, that smells good too. And I hate avocado, but that smells so good. And then we have our sample products to take with us to parties so people can see what the smells like. Let's smell some of these. Oh my gosh. Look at all of them. There's like 150 in here. Let's see. Yeah, that smells good. That is I don't know if you can see that. Twitter pated. Oh, what a cute name. It's Twitter pated. This is True to Your Heart. Yes, there's a whole bunch of them in here. I mean, too many for me to go through on here. It would take forever. And then if you join in April as a consultant, you get the Scentsy Go. Bear with me, I'm not good at opening things. Hold on one second. The instructions for your Scentsy Go. The cord for your Scentsy Go. And then your Scentsy Go in rose gold. The Scentsy Go is for you to like hook up in your car and take with you places. And since you won't have if you don't have one of the things, it opens like this, and you put your, which is the product I come to next, your Scentsy pods, which are these things. Take one out. Oh my God, this smells so good. This is shimmer. You put it in there like that, and then you plug it in with the cord here and into a USB. Okay. Then last but not least, we have our main Scentsy warmer that is an edged core. Our instruction book. The bowl for the warmer to put your scent in. And then your warmer itself. And your light bulb. This warmer is just like so pretty. I mean, it is beautiful. Beautiful. Very, very well made. You can tell it is a quality product. Scentsy has nothing but quality products. So, if you're interested in joining Scentsy or ordering some of this great stuff, just comment down below or go straight to my website. I will link it above or below. And yeah, thanks.